Want your home to feel more refined, cozy, and effortlessly expensive? These luxury Amazon items are designed to elevate your space with subtle details that make a big visual impact. From statement decor to sleek upgrades that change the whole vibe, each pick brings instant polish. All products you see are linked in the description, and for anyone watching on TV, just scan the QR code on screen to shop while you watch. Upgrade your sink to something truly smart. This digital faucet delivers hot or cold water at the touch of a button, making every rinse effortless. The pull-out design lets you lift and rotate the spout, perfect for washing hair, filling pots, or cleaning the sink. Easy-to-read digital display shows the exact water temperature for precision and safety. Sleek gun gray design adds a modern touch while keeping your kitchen or bathroom functional and stylish. Wash your hands without touching a thing. This touchless soap dispenser senses your hands in a flash and delivers soap in just 0.2 seconds. You can choose from 3 dispensing levels to get just the right amount every time. USB rechargeable power keeps it running for months, and the water-resistant design handles any splash or spill. Easy to refill and sleek in stainless steel, it makes hand washing effortless and hygienic. Meet the mirror that does it all. This smart vanity mirror doubles as a full HD display, letting you watch tutorials, check the news, or stream your favorite apps while you get ready. Adjustable LED lighting in 3 colors makes every reflection perfect, and anti-fog tech keeps it clear even in steamy bathrooms. Connect via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or HDMI for total control, all on a sleek touchscreen. Waterproof and safe, it's ideal for bathrooms, bedrooms, or anywhere you want a high-tech mirror experience. So if you want a mirror that's smart and stylish, scan the QR on screen. Light up your space in style. This spiral RGB lamp twists like a trophy, making it a unique statement on any desk or nightstand. Tap to change between 7 colors, 3 whites, or 10 lighting modes, and dim it to set the perfect mood. Soft, eye-friendly LED light keeps your eyes comfortable while you work, read, or relax. USB-powered and stable on its non-slip base, it's both functional and a mini piece of art. Spin into comfort and style. This 360-degree swivel chair lets you rotate freely while you read, relax, or chat with friends. Plush velvet upholstery and a cozy lumbar pillow hug your body, while the wide barrel design supports up to 300 pounds. Perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, or even vanity corners, it blends modern style with multifunctional use. Easy to assemble and soft to the touch, it makes any space instantly inviting. So if you want a chair that's as stylish as it is comfy, scan the QR on screen. Work or relax in total comfort. This big and tall office chair has a plush, dual-layered cushion and high backrest that hugs your body and eases lower back pressure. You can swivel 360 degrees, recline up to 135 degrees, and even stretch out on the built-in footrest. Heavy-duty construction supports up to 440 pounds, while smooth wheels and a sturdy metal base keep you stable and mobile. Stylish leather upholstery makes it feel as good as it looks, perfect for home or office. Turn your kitchen into a multitasking powerhouse. This waterfall sink has a deep basin that fits pots, pans, and everything in between. A 360 degrees pull-out faucet with 3 flow modes makes washing effortless, while the sliding cutting board and draining basket keep your countertop clutter-free. Push-button controls and smooth drainage make cleanup fast and hygienic. Made from durable stainless steel with a sleek gold finish, it's built to last and look stunning. Say goodbye to scooping forever. This automatic cat litter box cleans itself after every use, keeping your home fresh and odor-free. You can control it all from your phone, set cleaning modes, track usage, and even monitor your cat's health. 7 safety sensors make sure your furry friend is never in danger, while the low-entry design welcomes cats of all sizes. With a sealed waste bin and anti-leak system, messes are a thing of the past. So if you want a cleaner home with zero effort, scan the QR on screen. Forget fumbling for keys ever again. This smart door lock lets you unlock with your fingerprint, passcode, key fob, or even a mobile app. You can manage who comes and goes right from your phone, freezing or deleting access whenever you need. Installation is a breeze, just a screwdriver, no extra drills or locksmith required. Built from sturdy materials with a sleek black finish, it keeps your home secure while looking ultra modern. Your daily shower just turned into a spa-level experience. This smart shower system lets you switch water modes with piano-style buttons that feel smooth and effortless. The built-in thermostat keeps the temperature steady, while the digital display shows you exactly how warm the water is. Overhead sprays, a handheld option, and a tub faucet give you total flexibility for rinsing or relaxing. With built-in shelves and a sleek design, you get comfort, control, and style every time you step in. So if you want a shower that feels like a spa, scan the QR on screen. Take your entertainment anywhere with this portable smart TV. It's waterproof, battery-powered, and light enough to float in the pool or hang out in the bathroom. Built-in Wi-Fi and Google TV give you access to tons of apps and shows, while dual speakers deliver crisp sound without extra wires. The 360 degrees rotating stand lets you watch from any angle, and you can even take it camping or outdoors with ease. Small, smart, and flexible, it turns every space into a mini theater. Dry air ruining your vibe? This mini humidifier brings moisture back without taking up space. It sits neatly on your desk or car cup holder and runs quietly so you barely notice it's on. You can switch between mist modes with one button and let the soft color light double as a night glow. When the water runs out, it shuts off automatically so you can breathe easy and relax. Cooling doesn't have to be loud or bulky. This bladeless tower fan sends a smooth, powerful breeze across the room while staying whisper quiet. With no exposed blades, it's safe for kids and pets, so you can relax without worry. You can adjust speeds, set a timer, or control it with your voice or phone. The wide oscillation spreads cool air evenly, making your bedroom or office feel comfortable fast. This little oven is like having a full kitchen packed into one box. It steams, air fries, bakes, dries, and more, so you can cook almost anything your way. Steam cooking keeps food juicy and flavorful, while air frying gives you that crispy finish with less oil. It heats up fast and cooks evenly, saving you time on busy days. And when you're done, the steam clean mode helps you tidy up with almost no effort. Turn any wall into a jaw-dropping movie screen. This Ultra 4K projector delivers rich colors and deep contrast, so everything looks bold and lifelike. It's bright enough to watch during the day, yet cinematic enough for late-night movie marathons. Smart auto adjustment fixes focus and screen alignment for you, even if something's in the way. With powerful built-in speakers and wireless streaming, you just press play and enjoy a full theater experience at home. So if you want a home theater anywhere, scan the QR on screen. Meet the cleaning duo that works while you relax. This smart robot vacuum and mop team up to clean your floors in the perfect order, first vacuuming, then mopping. You can tell them where to clean, and they map your home so nothing gets missed. Powerful suction pulls dirt and pet hair from carpets, while the mop sprays just the right amount to tackle sticky messes. Best part? The vacuum empties itself, so you spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying a spotless home. Meet the toilet that does everything for you. This deluxe smart toilet opens, flushes, and even warms the seat automatically, so you never have to touch a thing. A foot flush keeps things extra hygienic when your hands are busy or wet. After use, warm air drying helps you feel clean and comfortable without extra paper. With its smooth, egg-shaped design, you get futuristic comfort that instantly upgrades your bathroom. So if you want a bathroom that practically runs itself, scan the QR on screen. Your bathroom just got a serious upgrade. This wall-mounted vanity blends smart lighting, storage, and a built-in sink into one clean setup. As you step closer, motion sensor lights turn on automatically, giving you the perfect glow for washing or makeup. The mirror has one-touch defogging, so steam never blocks your view after a hot shower. You even get a built-in tissue opening, smooth drawers, open storage, and rounded corners that keep things safe and clutter-free. This isn't just a lamp, it's a piece of art that lights up your room. This modern floor lamp features an origami-style bird that looks like it's gently floating in mid-air. The bird shade softly glows, creating a warm, cozy atmosphere instead of harsh light. You can even make the bird swing slightly, adding a playful, calming motion to your space. With a sturdy metal base and energy-saving LED light, you get style, mood, and durability all in one. This isn't just a light, it's a centerpiece. This crystal branch chandelier spreads out like a glowing tree, dripping with sparkling raindrop crystals. When it's on, the light scatters beautifully, making the whole room feel warm and elegant. The branch-style design adds depth and drama without feeling heavy or crowded. Hang it above a table or entryway and let your space feel instantly upgraded. So, if you want your room to shine with elegance, scan the QR on screen. Corners don't usually get attention, but this clock changes that fast. Designed to sit perfectly on a wall edge, it shows the time from both sides so you can see it from anywhere. Soft built-in lighting makes the numbers glow gently, adding mood without being harsh. A silent movement keeps the room peaceful with no ticking to distract you. It's modern, practical, and turns an unused corner into a stylish focal point. Campfire vibes minus the mess. This tabletop gas fire pit brings a real flame to your patio, backyard, or campsite in seconds. You get steady warmth and a cozy glow without smoke, ash, or flying sparks. Lava rocks and a clear wind guard keep the flame protected while making it look clean and modern. Just connect the gas, light it up, and enjoy instant atmosphere wherever you set it down. So if you want cozy flames without the hassle, scan the QR on screen. Your nightstand just got a serious upgrade. This smart little station combines a Bluetooth speaker, a wireless charger, and a soft nightlight in one clean design. You drop your phone on it, and it snaps into place and starts charging without plugging anything in. While that's happening, you can play music or podcasts with clear, room-filling sound. It keeps your space tidy, your device is powered, and your vibe calm all night long. Your wall deserves more than a flat picture. This glowing 3D wall sculpture turns empty space into a living piece of art. Layered shapes create depth that looks like a mountain scene coming to life right in front of you. Built-in LED lighting adds a soft glow that highlights every detail and instantly warms up the room. Plug it in, hang it up, and you've got a statement piece that feels calm, modern, and quietly impressive. So if you want your walls to come alive, scan the QR on screen. The kitchen just became the command center of your home. This smart display combines organization, entertainment, and connection in one sleek screen. Keep track of your calendar, shopping lists, weather, and reminders all at once while streaming shows or music as you cook. A built-in camera keeps video calls clear and centered so you feel face-to-face even from across the room. So if you want your kitchen to run like a command center, scan the QR on screen. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.